The courtroom was filled with tension as Ibrahim Mohammed, the new prosecutor representing the Nigerian police force, appeared before Justice Imarayi, asking for more time to study the case file. Mohammed told the court he only assumed responsibility for the case that morning, following the sudden retirement of the previous prosecutor and senior advocate of Nigeria, Simon Long. But the request sparked fierce objections from the defense. The counsel representing the 9 to 11 defendants, Deji Adeyanju, described the delay as unjust and financially draining. He argued that the case has dragged on for over a year and several of the defendants are from outside the court's jurisdiction.
2 of the sister cases were discontinued, and the foolery has continued by the police as usual. It's not dead. When I mean dead, it's as dead as a dead horse.
Abubakar Marshal, counsel to the 1st, 2nd, 5th and 6th defendants, described the charge as vague and dead. He urged the court to dismiss it under Section 353 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and demanded 500,000 naira compensation for each of the defendants.
Well, it's quite terrible. I don't expect that the AGF will permit that these injustice perpetrates for this long. You know, there were 3 or 4 charges that were filed, separate cases that were filed against protesters in 2024. 3 of them, they called and pleaded that these charges be withdrawn because in the first place, they were done maliciously and without recourse to Section 174 of the Constitution. Every criminal prosecution undertaken by the state must be in accordance with fairness, justice, and equity. Where is the equity in charging persons whose only sin is demanding for a better country?
Other defense counsel aligned with the motion to strike out the case. Justice Imarayi, while acknowledging the delay, reminded the court that the 2 previous adjournments were due to his own absence. He ruled that the case would proceed on August 9, warning that any further delay by the prosecution would lead to the charges being struck out and the defendants discharged. In Abuja, for News Central, I am Joshua Imarayi.